Hey everybody, I'm here in the beautiful Northeast Oregon Blue Mountains, and I have just done my favorite thing in the world. I have stumbled across a patch of something, and that's always exciting. So you see all this? All of this is nettle leaf horse mint. And nettle leaf horse mint is one of my favorite mints. You can probably see how excited I am. And it's probably not a super common mint in your area, but you'd be surprised if you have mountainous terrain and where you can get up into like the 3,000, 4,000 feet elevation, you can probably go out and find her. And now, so this is nettle leaf horse mint, and they call her that. She's not related to nettle in any way. They call her that because if you look real close here, if he gets in here close, you can see that the leaves are shaped a lot like Our Lady Nettle. And so she just has that name. She's an important pollinator for bees. So if you do find her, make sure that you please don't harvest too much. But I've never, ever found a patch this big before. She's good for, you know, stomach aches, antiviral, fevers, and things like that. Basically anything a mint is good for. Except for the reason I love her is because we traditionally have used her for vivid dreaming. I love nettle leaf horse mint's ability to bring on vivid dreaming. And I can't even say that enough. Nettle leaf horse mint brings on vivid dreaming. So, of course, if you're taking like really sedating medications to knock you out and things like that, she might not be able to give you vivid dreams. But I am telling you, she is just one of my absolute favorite allies. And I was just so excited. I was like, oh, husband, go get the camera. Because I've just never, like it goes all the way back. And she's so thick. She's so thick that I can fill a basket full once, twice, 3 times. And I wouldn't even dent anything here or take an unethical amount. And she's just fantastic. You can use her as teas, you can use her as tincture. You can even make an infused body oil like you would with most mints, and she can help you loosen up sore muscles, backs, just help you calm down. And she could even keep bugs away because she's a mint. But you can even do that like as part of like a dream practice. If you're a person that's been trying to like get back in touch with your dreams and like open up to these deeper dreams, that she is just an amazing ally. So anyhow, I just had to share because it's one of my favorite things about herbalism is getting out here and meeting the plants and finding them. It's like part of the hunt. You like come around the corner and I'm like, oh my God. And then it's just so exciting, and you can probably clearly tell that I'm excited. So if you like my videos, if you like seeing me get excited, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment too, because I know you're here with me and it helps other people find me. And remember, you are smart enough to get out here and begin finding Our Lady Nettle Leaf horse mint. And let me just take the camera right quick. I just want to show you a little closer up of what she looks like. She's absolutely gorgeous. And there's a few other common names for her, and I'll go ahead and throw that into the description too. But she's just so beautiful, and she gets these little individual blooms per. And look at that, she just goes on and on and on, and she's just thick through here, and it just made me really happy, so I wanted to share with you. But again, all mints you can tell because look, they have a square stem, meaning when you roll that stem between your fingers, it will literally have a square shape. Like with the lemon balm and the catnip. And so she is related, and so you can do the same thing. And isn't that just gorgeous? Isn't it just a beautiful day? So let me flip you around here so I can see myself. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this very excited video. I did. So now I'm gonna harvest a bunch of nettle leaf horse mint for tincture making. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.